Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Microsoft XPS document writing not working. So very easily you can fix or resolve it. So what you need to search Windows feature. So simply search turn Windows feature on or off. So type it and open it. Now need to find this Microsoft XPS document writing. Simply uncheck this box and click on OK. Now wait some few minutes, this process will be complete. Now restart your PC, click on start and power and restart. And after restart you need to again type this turn Windows feature on or off. So simply type it and open it. Now need to select this box Microsoft XPS document writing. Just select this box and click on OK. Now again restart your PC, click on start, power button and restart. And after restart your all problem will be fixed. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and share this video to all your friends and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.